Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we're going to be showing you the in-depths of how to remove and replace a CV shaft in a TF rodeo. So we have new part there. I'll be showing you how to remove the diff cradle in there, remove the plates and pull the old CV out and put the new one in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we've got the CV now out. As you can see, there's quite a lot more that's had to come out. So you have to remove the steering arm and set that out of the way. And then you have to remove the shock absorber. I recommend putting some kind of a jack or stand underneath the wishbone so it doesn't drop. And the reason we had to pull all that out is so we could get the CV out. And on the back of it here, let's get my light, there is a circlip that holds a bearing in place. That will not slide through that plate. So it is required to remove. So you can undo that snap ring and put your CV in. And now that you've got the first snap ring out, the bearing out, there's a second sneaky snap ring behind there that can come off and also go in the box for later. And then that plate comes off. Simple as that. And there's the old CV with a busted end. That goes in the bin. And replace it with a brand new one. And then you just have to make sure that you put the plate back on the correct way around. Okay, I'll try and do this one-handed. So there we go. I'll put that backing plate back on. Just hang whichever way it wants to. Then seal. Pushes it all back together. And then circlip. Okay. So once you've got that locked in properly and the snap ring correctly locked in place, I know you can't see that, but it is. Bearing goes back on, same way that it came off. Could be a little bit tight getting it on there. Okay, now that we've got the bearing, the seal, and both circlips locked back in properly, now I'm going to put it back into the car. Okay, so we've got the new CV put in, bolts back in the diff bolted back up, steering put back in, and the shock reinstalled. Now we're ready to put the new discs on the hubs and put the hubs back on, and then we can put the new brakes in. Okay, so new CV's in, new brakes are in, hubs back on, everything's tight. Brand new pads in there, ready to go, new discs, shocks back in, steering's back together, everything's been re-greased, and now we've just got to do the same on the other side. Alright, wheels are on, steering's in, diff's in, other side's done, battery's back in, and we're ready to go. Alright, so we've got the new CV in, we're locked in 4-wheel drive, hubs are locked, let's give it a go. Like that. Now 4-wheel drive back again. Right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you out on the trails. go. Hope you guys enjoyed that.